How's it going today? Well, I got all the stuff in to wire the dash. I started a little bit of it the other day, but I didn't like the way it was coming out, so I went ahead and ordered some other stuff. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so I had this wire caddy. I bought some more wire. I got red, black, blue, green, orange, yellow. It's on there. And in this box, I get everything set up here without dropping everything. I got pink, brown, purple, white, and gray, which that's dark gray, so it won't be confused too easily. And then I got some wireless connectors, and I bought this crimp tool, but I bought waterproof connectors by these people. So let's see how these work. Hopefully it'll make for a nice install of the dash. But today what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I have this old wire cat from another project, and I think what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna build another wire caddy that I can put all 11 colors on it, so I don't have to keep going back and forth on stuff. But yeah, I want to get this set up right, so I guess today's video will be setting up a wire caddy. So that's what we'll do today. We'll build a new wire caddy out of some wood. I got some 2x4s and some plywood. They're real easy to make, but maybe somebody will want to know and have a good idea on it. So let me get set up and we'll get this wire caddy started. Alright, so that's what we're going to use. We're going to use some 3/8 pipe. I got a piece of plywood down here, a couple of these 1x, and a 2x4. Now, these come in 36-inch lengths, and I just cut it in half, so I got two pieces that are 18 inches long. So that means I need some on the end of this, so I can place it through there and it'll be right. So since these are 18, I'm going to cut the 2x4s at 16 inches. So I'm going to need a bottom 2x4, and then I'll use these for the top, and then I'll have another 2x4 across the top. But this is going to be kind of short and fat. I'll probably cut it, I'll probably make it like a foot tall, 16 inches wide. That should give me enough room for all my wires on it. Like I said, I'm just making a small one, so this should work. Alright, we'll be right back. we have our sides, our 2x4s. This. So this is really probably bigger than I need, but it'll work, and I can expand on this too. Okay, so here's the basic form of the caddy. You got 2x4s on the bottom, one handle on top. I was gonna do two, but I think one will be enough for this. Now what I gotta do is I gotta drill 2 holes in the sides of this. So I'm gonna get my drill and drill it out. Okay, so I skipped over a few parts, but all I did was just screw those in there and drilled some holes. Some of my wires are sitting there all nicely. See, I mean, it's just scrap stuff I had laying around, so it was free. Nothing's better than free. Well, maybe a few things, but anyway, we won't get into that. But here's what you can do now on these, right? So it won't slide out. I got about the same on the other side, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Now, zip ties are your friend. Get this moved over here where we can get the video set up. Okay. So all we gotta do now, take it, wrap this around here. And that will keep it from sliding out of there. And they're easily, I mean, if you pull on them and stuff, they will come out. But most of the time, those zip ties will hold that in there. But that's how you make a quick and easy caddy for, I mean, no money. Nice, simple, quick, easy. Ain't nothing to it. And it'll be sturdy. I mean, if it falls, it won't break anything. Might break the wires, but I got them recessed in here enough to where if it does fall, but it's steady, it's solid. So, yep, that's how we make a wire caddy.